This is how do you adjust this woman automatic watch. So you just turn the crown ins in, and that until the crown's open a bit, until it's the crown's open more. Okay. See, it's open now. Did you see that? The crown is open, then you can adjust the watch. You see? You can move the minutes and everything, adjust it, and then after when you're ready to put it back, you push it in, and you turn about 8 times, 8 to 10. This is to wind the watch, so it's charged. Okay, now it's about ready. So after that, you just need to push it in. Okay, push it in, see, until it's closed. That's it. Thank you.